Meanwhile, in the North Bay, a warning for anyone who is not following the shelter-in-place orders. KPIX5's Andrea Borba is live in San Rafael with the crackdown. Andrea?
Well, Elizabeth, from the beginning of the shelter-in-place order, the term voluntary compliance was tossed around pretty handily, saying they wanted people to follow these instructions without any question. That mood seems to be changing among law enforcement looking to help out their brethren in hospitals. On the streets of downtown San Rafael, things are quiet, parking spaces empty, a sign that social distancing and the shelter-in-place order are being taken seriously. But San Rafael police officers are prepared to intervene.
We're looking at doing voluntary compliance first, and we've been getting a lot of voluntary compliance. But if push comes to shove and people will not listen to the public health order, we are prepared to issue citations.
In fact, 2 citations for violating the order have already been issued.
Who had other charges on them, so it wasn't specifically just for that, but they were also violating the public health order.
Officers are keeping a close eye.
We are proactively looking for businesses who are non-essential that are open. We're also taking complaints from the public, so we will go look into it. We need to determine if it's an essential business.
At Puerto Rican restaurant Soul Food, the dining area is closed, but the takeout window is open and armed with hand sanitizer before you grab a menu and cleaning for that menu after you touch it, and a full cleaning every 30 minutes.
We've actually taken every means possible to kind of follow the protocol and implement what their suggestions are in terms of the social distancing.
As for those overloaded parks and hiking trails this weekend that caused Governor Gavin Newsom to close parking lots,
we understand people need to get outside to get exercise. That's allowed, but maintain social distancing. That's the most important part.
At Jean and John Starkweather Shoreline Park, the beaches and trails were sparsely populated, with the exception of these 2 clubs.
I think it's too much of a good thing. You know, I think people need to pay a little closer attention to what they're doing. I hope, that this will be a solution for us all.
I think there are people who are very lackadaisical about what is actually going on. They don't realize that it is very serious.
Now, violating this order can be charged with up to a misdemeanor. Live in San Rafael, Andrea Borba, KPIX5.